Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, today I am going to discuss about our assignment number 4. Okay, that means our today's topic is assignment 4. Okay, and now I am going to start my discussion. Okay, look dear students, here you have to submit this assignment on 31st August. Okay, now dear students, please follow the board. Here at first you will get you have to make this assignment by taking help from these lessons. Okay, look here from unit 4, here you will find that people who make a difference. Okay, our chapter and title of the chapter is what? Unit 4, people who make a difference. Then look, lesson number and topics. Here lesson 3, whose child is this? And other lesson is what? From lesson 1, a teacher. Then lesson 2, a teacher 2. Then lesson 4, fixed price shop. Then lesson 5, morality shop. Then lesson 6, the homemaker 1. Okay, look here, assignment or assigned task. Okay, look, read the poem attentively and critically. Now write a summary with a suitable title, except whose child is this? Dear students, keep in your mind that you have to make a summary with a suitable title, except what? Except whose child is this? Okay, now look, so here you have to make a summary. Then look, by reading this poem you have to make this summary. Then look, number 2, explain whose contribution is the most to build up a child. Give your own reasons. Okay, explain whose contribution is the most to build up a child. Give your own reasons. Okay, then look, instructions. This instruction is dear students, now look, no need to read this instruction. Now look, I am going to say about assessment criteria. Look here, excellent. You will get excellent if you follow this instruction. Look here, at first you have to write suitable title, main idea of the poem. Okay, then look dear students, here you have to include these clues like parents contribution. You have to include this information in your summary. Parents contribution, teachers contribution, combined contribution of parents and teachers clearly narrated. Okay, you have to give some information from these clues. Okay, from this topic you have to give some information in your summary. Okay, then look, contribution, look here, explaining the question number 2 with critical thinking and creativity, sentences grammatically correct, correct spelling. I am repeating, explaining the question number 2 with critical thinking and creativity, sentences grammatically correct and then correct spelling. Okay, so dear students, this number 2 here, this 2 nongs question you have to follow or you have to maintain that, explaining the question number 2 with critical thinking, okay, and creativity you have to use here. Okay, so dear students, now though you have to write this by using your own creativity, but now I am going to give some ideas about this topic. Okay, look here, number 1, write a summary with a suitable title, except whose child is this? Okay, look dear students, here you can write like this way, your assignment title you can write here, duty of parents and teachers for a child. Okay, you can write like this way, this assignment title. Then look dear students, here about summary. You have to write like this way, it is the duty of parents to look after the proper mental and physical growth of a child. Every child should be facilitated with every child should be facilitated with games and sports. They must be given the knowledge of leading a hygienic life with a suitable dress. A child should be taught how to be gentle and kind. In school, the teacher must try heart and soul to train them properly. Parents are the first mentor of a child, and teachers and parents play vital roles in the holistic development of the child. Dear students, look here, I have given some information, some ideas about this topic, about the summary, but you have to write elaborately. You have to write elaborately about this summary, okay? You have to write more sentences about this topic. So what we have found here, it is the duty of parents to look after the proper mental and physical growth of a child, and every child should be facilitated with games and sports. They must be given the knowledge of leading a hygienic life with a suitable dress. Like this way you have to write this summary, okay? And of course you have to include the information about parents' contribution, teachers' contribution, and combined contribution of parents and teachers, okay? Now dear students, in question number 2 here, explain whose contribution is the most to build our child, okay? Give your own reasons. Dear students, here you have to write the contribution, whose contribution is the most to build up a child, okay? Give your own reasons. Here you have to write your own opinion, okay? So here dear students, here I have written here, I think the combination of parents and teachers' contributions is the most to build up a child. Here is my opinion, okay? Like this way you can write these questions answer. Though here I have written some information about this topic, like you can write parents are the child's first role model, children behave, react, imitate the same as their parents. Parents play important role in encouraging and motivating their kids to learn. Then look here about contribution of teachers. Major challenges for teachers are to nurture children's learning and give them various experiences to face this challenging world. Okay, like this way you have to give more information about this topic. Then look, the combined contribution of parents and teachers. Trust and mutual understanding between parents and teacher is a real secret of a child's happy learning. Okay, support and cooperativeness from parents towards teachers helps a lot to connect, understand, and work towards a child. Like this way you have to give more information about this topic. So dear students, here look here you have to write whose contribution is the most to you, okay? Look here, I have written the contribution of parents, contribution of teachers, combined contribution of parents and teachers. But here you have to write whose contribution is the most to build up a child. Okay, so read it properly, that whose contribution is the most to build up a child. Give your own reason. Here you have to mention whose contribution is the most to build up a child. Okay, and you have to make here, you have to give here your own opinion. So here I have given just some ideas about these three topics, okay, but you have to write whose contribution is the most to you, okay, to build up a child. So like this way you have to write these questions answer properly. Dear students, here I have given some ideas about this topic. So you have to write this by using your own creativity, and you have to submit this assignment on 31st August. Okay, so dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.